Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Danielle. If you have never been here before, hit that subscribe button to join this awesome family because we are one big family and we just keep growing and growing like crazy, and I'm so thankful for it. But you can tell by the title of this that it's my favorite time of each season, and because fall is kicking off, it means it's FabFitFun time, guys. Like always, this is my first reaction to it. I have not seen it yet. I have cut the tape just so it's easier for me to open. But this is this season's box. Beautiful as always, creative as always. I absolutely love these boxes because the design of them is impeccable. Each box is different. It fits each season, but the incredible artists who do these, I mean, astound me every time. They're amazing. But this is the season's box, and I'm very excited for this. And of course, there is a charity foundation with each box. So this box is No Kid Hungry. And so we have a huge problem where millions and millions of kids in this country do not know where their next meal is going to come from, or if they are going to get any meals at all. And with COVID happening, of course, we have a big issue. Schools are closed. That means that they're not getting the one meal that they are basically guaranteed that they're going to get every day at school. So No Kid Hungry is committed to ensuring kids get 3 healthy meals a day during this crisis and beyond afterwards. Donations from this season's box, including the add-ons that you can go and donate money to, they will support the No Kid Hungry's response and recovery efforts, including emergency grants for schools and community groups and outreach to kids in need, which is so fantastic, and it's such a great program to work with. So from one of my add-ons, I did donate $10, and with that $10, it will provide 100 meals to kids in need, part of the No Kid Hungry Foundation. So very happy to do it, and very, very excited that I was able to help in some way. All right, you guys ready? Drum roll. We're gonna open this season's box and we're gonna see what's in it. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful as always. Look at this. I love the inside of these boxes. They're just as beautiful as the outside. So this is, of course, what we see. Of course, then we have the things that are on top. So we have our magazine, and on it is Padma Lakshmi, and she is on this cover of this month's this season's magazine. Then we have a Pass On to Friends, we have a Bright Sellers gift card, and then we have a HelloFresh gift card as well. So they take good care of us when we, for each season's box, we always get something a little different. Okay, so we're diving into things. First, I want to start off with, I did do an extra add-on this season, and because FabFitFun is now doing FabFitFun Style, where it's kind of like those subscription boxes that you get of style pieces, and whatever you like, you keep. So this is the Love Stitch Lorna tie front blouse, so it ties right down here, but I love this pattern. It's a great pattern for fall, and I love the colors. It's very fall colors, and it's not those bright, like summery. This is a really nice transition shirt to fall, and I love how flowy it is, and just this nice tie down here where you can make it tighter, it can come up a little higher. It's fantastic. So I had to get this as part of my add-ons. So the first thing I am pulling out of here, it's $14.99. This is the hip cutlery set, which is really cool. So it has a button right here, and you just push down on it and you pull up, and inside is just a set of fork, spoon, and knife. So the hip cutlery set, you're swapping your disposable utensils with this wheat. So this is wheat straw. That's what this is made out of, like wheat straw. And so this is kind of part of like helping the earth kind of situation, but it comes in this disposable case as well, and it's super easy. So you just carry it around. I love this color and the coloring of it, just period. But just super easy. You can wash them and reuse them again and again, but just a nice little thing to have. All right, the second thing I am pulling out of here, Height Tranquility Sleep Mist, is $22. Oh, I love this bottle. Like, that's really, really simple and beautiful packaging. I'll give you guys a better look at it. But this is formulated with witch hazel and lavender oil and rice water. Oh my God, that smells amazing. This mist creates a tranquil sleep environment. I love it. It smells so good, you guys. Before bed, mist around your pillows and sheets to create a calming sleep environment. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face and body to relax and soothe the skin. Oh my God. So Tranquility Sleep Mist. Love that. Okay, next thing I'm pulling out is the Laundress New York. I say that's the Laundress New York Crease Release. And so this is cool. This is $16, but Crease Release, it's talking about for your clothes. So easily remove moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics with the spray, especially when ironing it is an option. Very cool. Especially like I'm even wearing a silk shirt right now, like this wrinkles super easy. So this will come in handy. And like I said, this is $22. This is kind of cool because I've never really seen a product like this, especially in a FabFitFun box. So this is kind of brand new, but that's really, really cool to have in a box. Okay, next thing I'm pulling out, Beauty Papier Golden Superfood. Okay, antioxidant shower gel, pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe vera. Oh my God, guys, pumpkin. Pumpkin is here. It is in full force. This scrumptious shower gel is made with a blend of Golden Superfood ingredients. Like, that pumpkin is going to be amazing on skin. And guys, let's just be honest, it's fall. Everybody loves pumpkin. Designed to uplift your senses and provide a source of antioxidants to leave your skin feeling super energized. And guys, this is $30. So this, like, it even looks like just fall in a bottle, which is fantastic. Super excited to use this. Next thing I'm pulling out is a Jenny Bird. This is one of my customization items. And so this is the Jenny Bird Lana pendant, which is super, super pretty. So it is a longer necklace. It is silver, but I love that. That's just really simple and nice. And so the thing about this Jenny Bird necklace, it's $115, guys. $115, but I love this and I love the materials. It's got 2 chains. And so this part, it will come down a little longer than the first one, but I absolutely love this. You guys know I'm a gold jewelry wearer. I love my gold jewelry, but every once in a while when I get a nice silver piece, I love silver jewelry. So this is really cool. Okay, the other customization item I have, I'm actually really excited about this one. This is the Mason Tops glass water bottle with neoprene and turquoise, and this is $35. So I love the packaging. It just kind of makes me feel like I'm going camping. So the lid is a multifunctional drink lid. It's a premium glass mason jar, and it has insulating neoprene sleeve. Like, make it more than a mason jar. I love that. I love that packaging. Like, this is great packaging. And I love turquoise, so I'm really excited about this. So this is what it looks like. This is the neoprene sleeve. And so then you got the lid, but then it also opens up here. So you can drink like that as well. But it truly is a mason jar, you guys. I love it. And being from the South, we love ourselves some mason jars. But this is really cool. And this is just a nice little water bottle to have and carry around and travel with, which is super, super handy. Okay. I'm probably going to botch this name so badly, but I think it's Soya and Kayo woven scarf with fringe, and this is $85. And I love the colors. It's very neutral tones. It has a little bit of pink in it, but it's very, very calming. But this is what it looks like. It's almost like a blanket. You guys, it's beautiful, and it's not like super, super thick, but it's just a nice material. It looked different when I'm standing up, I promise. But it's one of those, and then you have it around your neck like this, and it's like that. Super nice, and with fall coming, like, this is just beautiful to wear and to have. And it's nice and warm, guys. It's nice and warm, and I love it. All right, last item, and this is probably something I'm super, super excited about. This is my last customization item too. This is the Papier New York trigger backpack, and this is $100. And I saw this, I don't really have any like backpack purses, but this is nice because it's just a little guy. But he's got 2 zippers right here in the front. And then of course it opens up right here, and there's another zipper on the inside. It has just a nice little purse size. And then it collapses right there. But it's just nice. And the straps are really, really sturdy. Like, they are sturdy. So I absolutely love this. And I can't wait to use this because, like I said, I hate purses that fall off my shoulder. So like having a backpack would be really, really nice just to have my stuff around and to travel with as well. So this is the last thing, and it's really cute and I love this. So everything that I just mentioned, I told you all the prices in this box, and I told you all the prices because, like I said, this whole box is a value of $418.99. I paid $50 for this. $50. That's all I paid for this amazing box that I was able to have some part in customizing. I could put add-ons in, clearly, as you saw. I could donate money to great charities and foundations, but I'm also able to get other things out of this, like gift cards and $80 off of other subscription services. So I absolutely love FabFitFun. I'm going to link them down below because, you guys, if you are thinking about getting a subscription box, this is the subscription box to get. So go get yourself a FabFitFun box, especially with winter coming up. That winter box will be coming out around Christmas time, so it's a great gift for somebody in your life for Christmas. But get yourself ready for fall with this amazing FabFitFun fall box. You won't regret it, guys. I truly, truly believe it. But if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, join this awesome family. And you guys, I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.